Okay everyone, nandito po kami ngayon sa Parkal. Family. Yan. Nakapunta na po kami dito, tsaka na-vlog na namin po. Pero nandito kami ngayon, kaya magbablog kami.
Celebrate ng birthday ni Ana.
Today is my birthday.
December 24. Birthday na.
Ikot lang natin ng konti. Ayan. Ayan si Lloyd, Tony. Asa na si Makmak? Nauna na yata si Mac tsaka si Beth. Ayan. Dito po sa Parkal, konti lang po yung tao, kaya masarap mamasyal. Ayan. Dancing fountain. Parkal. Dito kami sa Parkal with family. Ang ganda-ganda dito, ang luwag-luwag. Sarap mamasyal. Ayan, marami din pets dito. May cats. Kanina may nakita kaming dogs. Malaya sila ditong gumala-gala. Ayan. Ang bait to. Kahit sino pwedeng humawak. Malapit sila, no? Pet friendly po itong lugar na to. Pwede rin po dito yung mga pets. Gala. Ayan. Ayan si Ate Lloyd. Nauna na sila. Nasaan na sila? Hindi na namin makita kung nasaan sila. Ayun, ayun na sila. Nauna na sila, Mac. Ganda ng galaan mo, Mimi nga. Ito, napili namin kainan dito sa Premium Shabu Shabu A1. Ayun na sila sa loob. A1 Premium Shabu Shabu. Gusto mo ng privacy dyan. Kanya-kanya siya.
Ay, di ba, Chen?
Can we quantum and like them?
Happy birthday, Tita Ana! Thank you!
Happy birthday!
Order kasi. Meron din pala silang Christmas design.
Saan yung sauce station? Yeah, sige. The sauce station para love nyo. What do you think? Should we order signature sauce for them or do they like mix their own? You want to mix your own or signature sauce?
Parang
na lang?
signature sauce
Signature
na.
na lang. Kasi yun yung parang recommended. But let's go there so you can vlog. Ayan. Dito
Sama ka dun.
sauce na.
Ayan sila may signature dito sauce.
Ah, ganyan yung ano mo yun? Ako ano? Ako hindi pa. Ako yung I'll just probably do like my own. Paano lang yung
Nasa sayo ko ano yung gusto mong sauce. No?
I'm gonna make that also. I'm gonna have like a soy sauce base and I'll probably put a little bit of chili oil and chili itself, and then a little bit ang bagal ng labas ng cheese.
She's making her dipping sauce.
What is that, Beth? Soy sauce.
I'll make my own
Soy sauce.
soy sauce. And then I'll put some
Hindi ako nakapa-English.
Garlic.
Oh, they have sesame oil as well.
Ano natin ito?
They have salad there.
One soy. Simak naman.
It's much simpler. I'll actually just put salt and sesame oil. You do this for Korean barbecue, but this one I have it just in case. Yeah, just like that.
Enough na yan. Okay. Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup din pala. Halos lahat kami pare-pareho mushroom soup.
Ano? Wala pa naman pork.
Wala na siya nag-order.
Kasi this one is mushroom meatballs.
Opo.
Mushroom meat, walang-
shrimp balls, shrimp, squid balls, squid, fish and fish. No fish. Wala po siya.
It's mushroom meat.
Oh, mushroom meat. Oh, mushroom like mushroom and squid meat. Oh, mushroom.
Hindi siya with meat.
Hindi po. Wala po siya mga
Mushroom
content of
meat.
pork, content of beef. Wala.
So, pwede siya vegetarian food.
No, because the other one has shrimp and the other one has...
No
Dala
way,
po.
this
Ito-
one.
ito.
This one is vegetarian.
yeah, the mushroom.
Yes po. And this one with shrimp.
Mas
Shrimp meat.
lahat because of this.
Yeah.
Right now,
Or then comes skin roll. Kaya ko sir, shrimp bacon skin roll. Shrimp bacon skin roll.
Oh, God.
girls, shrimp. Ito is dato kita anak.
Shrimp. Okay. Mushroom.
Anong wonton, sir?
Here's the one. What are you eating? Oh.
Nothing so far.
Just put there.
Red vegetarian po.
Oh, she's cooking the noodles already.
Noodles mo natin. Para din yung dapat, sir. Kumapag na lang po.
This is the Angus beef. This is gonna be for Beth and Tony and me. It's just for the three of us. The three of us. Birthday, Tita Ana. Nagre-reklamo pa. Happy birthday. Ma, why are you sad? It's Tita Ana's birthday today. Okay.
Happy 31st birthday.
31st. Okay, try it, Tita Ana, and then let us know what it is.
Here sa Manila.
I think this up for you because it was too much.
Okay. Try it, Tita Ana. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Trying to put it here first and then you want to
Combine
try?
that already because I'm all south. So I combined most of them. But I didn't have also. I think that's only which is to and I also have the chili. I also have the chili. Chili oil plus the other chili. I think that's only you can use. I have chili oil and you
No, I
have
put
soy.
spices. The last one.
Yeah.
Yan. Shrimp gulay. What do you have in there? Also, Mom. Mom has mushroom soup. Gonna put some veggies in there. And tomatoes.
Parang may peanut. Ano?
Meron na.
Meron.
Mamaya pag
Nilagyan. Nilagyan. Yung bowl. Ano? Ito. Masarap ko po
Pinupulo. Why did you leave it there? It's gonna be hot.
Ah, yeah.
The mukbangers. Init.
So you want the other
Just eat.
I think that's good, thank you. That's, do you want?
No, thank you.
You don't know we have refill. I was saving it. What's the score?
No, I mean like it's like marble. Perfectly marble.
Avon. Isn't that the like parang quality na isn't it?
Yes.
Actually, the one that I tried the best, I think, was in Japan. Kobe.
Yun yung ano eh, the bees that not like stepping on the ground. Kaya yung spot nila is super impact, tapos wala silang muscle. Kasi hindi sila nag-walk. Nakahangat lang sila. Kaya ganun yung quality.
Don't want to talk about it.
Super tender kasi walang muscle.
We're done. Nauna na si Mac doon sa golf. Para ano. Yan, nauna na tapos sa kaming lahat.
Thank you, Tony and Meng, sa treat nyo sa aking birthday. Tabunan ng tao. Hindi ko napansin kanina. Yung nakasulat na Parkal. Dati po kasi, nung pumunta kami dito, hinahanap namin yung ano.
Kasi, lipas na.
Karatula na Parkal, hindi kami makahanap. Ngayon po meron. Nilagay nila. Ayun po yung simbahan. Mamaya punta kami. Yan, kakatapos lang po namin kumain. Pupunta muna kami dito sa simbahan. Sana bukas po siya. Nauna na si Ate Lloyda eh. Kaya buti bukas po siya. Mamaya po yung mas dito kasi ano, simbang gabi. Mamaya po Pasko na. Madaling araw siguro mas dito. Tapos na po kaming mag-visit sa church ngayon. Pupuntahan na po namin sila, sila Ming, Tony, Beth, Mac, tsaka Nisa. Kasi pumunta po sila sa Gold. Mag-gold po kasi sila. Yan si Ate Lloyda.
Dito po kami sa
Papunta na po kami sa Gold.
Street in Cabrera.
Ayan yung street po niya. Walang katao-tao.
Kasi siguro kasi December 24 ngayon, baka nasa may mga tao.
Nasa probinsya na po
Siya
yung
na o
ibang
kaya
tao.
bakasyon na.
O kaya yung iba nasa bahay na, nagluluto, nagpe-prepare para mamayang gabi.
Party,
Christmas party. Parang tatlo lang tayong tao. Sabi ko nga nauna na sila dun sa Gold. Nag-visit lang muna tayo sa church. Tapos susundan natin sila dun sa Gold. Akala ko nga sarado. Sabi ko sana bukas. Buti naman at bukas. Yan, pwede na tayo magpa-picture dyan mamaya kasi kanina ang dami nagpapa-picture. Kanina dito, family nagpapaan. Ngayon, wala na, pumunta na sila sa bahay nila. Nagsiuwian na, kami na lang tao dito. Umalis na yung Mingming, nakausap na yung kanina. Nag-staycation po kasi kami dito kaya dito kami. Yung iba kadalasan, hindi, nag-staycation tayo sa may, Pasig. Sa Prisma. Ngayon, namasyal kami dito.
Malayo ito.
Malayo to. Ay yata to, yung layo dun, Parang. First time namin na hindi sa aming bahay sasalubong ng Christmas. Staycation kami. Ayan na si Miming, yung kanina. Paikot-ikot lang siya. Miming! Baby! Hello! Kaya may tento. Baka may dyan. Baka may gold ring dyan. Para hindi lumampas yung mga bola o kung ano pa man. Ano ba yan? Ayan, nakakulong siya ng screen, lahat. Paikot. Soccer. Soccer pala. Yung isa kabila, basketball court. Para walang lalabas na bola.
Walang matamaan.
Walang matamaan. Ito pala soccer. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, basketball court.
Walang hindi lumabas yung
Para
bola.
safe.
Tama.